What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use the built-in ruler on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on display. Now in display, scroll down and tap on edge panels, and then in edge panels tap on this on off button on the top to turn it on, and after turning on this button tap on panels. Now from here select the tools panel, and after selecting tools panel, now you can use the built-in ruler. So open the edge panel, go to the tools panel and then tap on this three dot more option. Now from here tap on ruler and then it will open the built-in ruler. Now you can calibrate the ruler. If you want to make it small or large, you can drag it up or down, and you can change the inches and centimeters. So that's how you can use built-in ruler in your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.